Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I am Ntombizodwa Skosana and I am the founder of Ntombiz Fashion. Ntombiz Fashion is a clothing company. I make and design African print, ready-to-wear women's clothing. Why I started my business is because I had a child and I wanted to create a legacy for my child, and also because my business motto is that I want to decolonize fashion. That is my aim, to decolonize fashion. I feel like African print shouldn't be restricted to weddings and Heritage Day. We should be able to wear African print every day because it's who we are. So I make ready-to-wear clothing like this top over here, and accessories like bonnets and dukes, tuku, for any occasion, so you can wear my clothing for a business meeting or a night out. How you can get a hold of me is on Facebook, it's the Ntombiz shop. My website is www.ntombizfashion.com, or the WhatsApp line is 064-884-5863. Hi, my name is Ntombizodwa Skosana and I am a township entrepreneur.